How to find recently viewed products on Alibaba. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find the products you recently viewed on Alibaba. If you've been browsing and want to revisit something you liked, I'll show you exactly where to find it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Alibaba app. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your device. Once it's open, tap on My Alibaba located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 2. Access your recently viewed items. After entering the My Alibaba section, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Viewed. Here, you'll see a list of all the products you've recently viewed. Step 3. Manage your viewed items. If you want to clear the list, simply tap on the delete icon and confirm by clicking Yes. This will remove all your recently viewed items. And that's it. You've now learned how to find and manage your recently viewed products on Alibaba with just a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.